You can look subtle yet glam for Valentine's Day. Hey guys, this is Chandni and let's dig into the video. First, to prep my skin, I am using Pond's Light Moisturizer on my face and neck, and for my lips, I am using Just Herb's Mint Lip Mask. For my T-zone, where I have big pores, I am using Lakme Absolute Blur Primer. It instantly blurs the pores. For my dark circles and pigmentations, I am using a peach corrector and a green corrector to cancel the redness on my skin. These both are from Sugar Cosmetics, and blending with my fingers. To protect the correctors from mixing any further, I am using loose powder from K-Beauty and lightly dusting on the areas I have corrected. For foundation, I am mixing Lakme 925 Foundation Warm Natural and Maybelline New York 330 Toffee to get my proper shade and dotting all over my face. Then, using a damp beauty blender from Colorbar, I will apply it in a dabbing motion. If I use a brush here, it can pick up the correctors and the face may look orangish. You know what I mean. For concealer, I will use Lakme Absolute Mousse Concealer in shade Honey and blending with my fingers. The face brushes I am using for the video are from Lakme. They are super soft and affordable. And to take off the excess makeup that sits on the face, I am using a toilet paper to blot my face. To cream contour, I will use a dark concealer from Swiss Beauty. It's their pen concealer, and dot in the areas I want my shadows to be. And use the same sponge to blend it. It will create an illusion that these points of my face are taken back, and also to contour my nose. I am taking time to set my face. With a powder puff, I am slightly pushing the loose powder. It will make the makeup stay longer. After brushing my eyebrows, I am taking Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in shade Black to fill it up. For creating a transition and warming up my crease, I am using this light peachy brown kind of shade called Queen from palette Patricia Bright Rich in Life. it's better to use something light first. If you use a dark shadow first, it will look patchy. Then I am using a brown shade called Model on my crease. It will darken up the crease further. Here I am creating a V shape and flicking it. Then using a brown kajal from Lakme Iconic, I am creating a wing and taking them half onto my upper lash line, kind of a cat eye, and to extend it, fingers are best. Then to set the kajal, I am using a reddish brick red color called Allspice. What a beauty! I am using here a flat liner brush. I forgot to use the white shimmering shade in the middle, empty part, but thank God I remembered. Shimmery shades best works with fingers. The brushes I am using for my eyes are all from Pac. Then taking the shade Model, I am lining my lower lash line too and using the brown kajal to tightline and to outline the wing. For highlighting my brow bone and inner corner, I am using a light matte shade called Elegant. Then curling my lashes, I am using Myglamm Twisted Mascara and using falsies from Swiss Beauty. You can totally go without any falsies, but I am preferring to do so. I have applied the brown shade again because the shimmering shade have taken away the brown shade a little bit. It has smudged a little. To add warmth into the face, I am using Cuffs and Lashes Cuppy Cake Contour in shade Tea Cake. It may be named contoured, but it's a warm toned bronzer. For blush, I am using these two shades from Cuffs and Lashes Just Say Cheese palette only on the high points of my cheeks and chin. If you anytime go carried away by applying more blush, use the same sponge or beauty blender. It will take away some of the colors. For highlighting, I am again using Cuffs and Lashes Cuppy Cake highlighter called Frumptious over the high points of my face, bridge of the nose and Cupid's bow. To set and lock the makeup all day long, I am using a setting spray from L'Oreal Infallible. I am hiding my lips and eyes as I don't like the feeling of setting sprays there. For my lips, I am using a beautiful brown toned pink lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics in shade Rose Job. And here's the finished look with a low bun, few accessories. If you liked my video, please consider to subscribe as it will really help my channel to grow. See ya!